high-ranking officials missing at Zvigananda wedding. Ndizarapera mashoko kubuda panguva inoi konyaso kuonekwa kunzi people now they are showing their sides. Vanhu vakubuda pachena kuti isusu we are supporting Zvigananda or not. Ndizarapera mashoko kubuda panguva inoi kuonekwa kunzi pane mara high-ranking officials vanonyasa kuzivikanwa kuti these people they've got influence, they've got power, but panguva inoi kuonekwa kunzi and people they are sure kuti the invites were sent but they snapped, they did not attend. Izvi zvakanyatsa kupa a direct message to the Zvigananda faction. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Right. Timda pahendo ya link M. Anodanyira achiti. Interesting high-ranking officials missing at Zvigananda wedding number 1. Vice President Kosano Kuvea Dominic Nikazino Chiwenga. VP Kembo Mohadi. Retired Philip Valerius Wanda. Former Minister and Politburo member Obed Moses Mpofu. Retired General Anselm Namo Sanyatwe. Retired General Angel Betero Jeje. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skawakema Branga. Who else was missing? Edios below. Doma developments are pangwa in just Budapachina is ashbody anyone outside of ZANU-PF kana anyone outside of Zimbabwe would interpret this. These people, especially the one who's leading the list, VP Constantino Chiwenga, that's going to prioritize that no, visiting the farm it's much more sense. It makes sense. And we're going to attend a Zvigananda wedding. People want to achieve my pledges of my millions and my millions. But if you look, my basic services, people that are struggling. The worst part of it, those people who are pledging those huge sums of amounts, they're the people who are in the government. It's more like this is a parallel structure government. Iriko flounder my state resources. But the same people who are not tungamirira pangwa ina minika kuno konzi they are struggling. What developments are kuda pangwa ina chino konzi as these individuals did not attend this wedding. Zwanya skupa an indication to the Zvigananda function. But we are not together. We do not support what you support. In the comment section, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.